This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot pre-season promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Good morning, guys. It is March 22nd, 2019. I got that exhaust blower motor. I ran out early this morning with my pickup truck to go get it. It's a couple of towns over, the supply house. I'm going there now and give this thing a swap out. You're looking very stylish today. You're looking very stylish. Yeah, try to get you some shots if I can. A little rainy here today. You managed to get by.
Yeah.
They said it wasn't that cold out. Let's make sure we got the right one before I pull it all apart. It should be. Should be the right one.
Yeah. Looks like it's twin, huh?
Yeah, looks like it. Little different motor.
Hopefully better. What's the normal lifespan on those? It varies, I assume?
Well, it's like anything else, you know. You can get a new car that breaks, right?
Sure.
So there's no guarantees in life.
Except taxes.
Hook them up and run it for as long as you can. When it dies, then we'll fix it, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much what it amounts to. That's it, 4. We got another one. Should do it. No bird in there.
You see that sometimes?
Yeah, but not on something like this. I don't think that it's just bound up. I mean, you can't even move it. Yeah, like on like an 80 plus where you got 4-inch smoke pipe going into a chimney.
Right.
They'll fly in, but on this 2-inch, I highly doubt it.
How about like a mouse or something like that? Would they ever get in there?
Well, anything's possible. I mean,
do you recommend putting like little screens in those pipes outside, or they don't recommend that?
well, it looks. Yeah. Huh?
You know, putting like a screen on the end of that pipe outside?
Well, it don't hurt, you know. I mean, don't hurt. But these screws don't look the same. Once they come along the screws. Yeah. This comes with 2 longer screws, just 2. It's kind of odd. Well, what do you want from Goodman? 2 long screws and 2 short screws. Put one here. And we'll put one over here, I this. That's not hitting. Oh, and then the short one's going over here. Alright, that's what it must be. Okay. Not easy. Alright, so let's see what we got for power. We got a ground here. It's just giving me a hard go here. I'm gonna put it somewhere better. It will be better lighting. Alright, so then we got the yeah, unfortunately, I didn't have the pot in the truck. I mean, I can't stock all this stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I hear you.
There's too much different stuff.
Everybody has something different out there, I'm sure.
On the ground. Bro, you gotta go by model and serial and get the proper unit for it, you know? I don't know if I can get in there with my my gun or not. Now, was your wife pissed about not having heat last night?
Yeah, a little bit. What are you gonna do?
Well, not much I could do about it.
No. It is what it is.
That's good for the marriage, no?
Sure. Makes it stronger.
Right. Okay, and then we just gotta plug this in, and it should fire right up. It should fire right up. You got it calling for heat?
Oh, I was turning. Can you turn the heat on?
Definitely.
So that humming noise, that was just...
Well, the other motor wasn't spinning.
So I hadn't caught that. That really heat up and cause major problems.
Well, no, this motor has to spin, right? And then pulls the switch in, and then it goes through a cycle, it glows, and it ignites. So if this don't spin, ain't nothing gonna work. You know what I'm saying?
That's my point. If I wasn't home now, if I continued doing that, could that ever like cause a fire or something?
Oh, I don't know. Probably not. I mean, it was just stinking. The thing was just stinking. I mean, if there was a fire, it'd be all contained inside this metal cabinet. I don't think so. She's heating. Your wife's gonna be happy now, right? Yeah, so it wasn't the pump.
You know, to that white wire there, that's what a quick on.
you've seen the motor.
Yeah,
I mean, the thing, that might have been a coincidence.
Yeah.
Because it was calling when I turned the switch on. I mean, the thing was flipping red. You could hear it. And you grab it. I mean, you can't even spin it.
Right?
Yeah, you can't spin it. So. I'm gonna clean the flame sensor while I'm here. I don't think it's been done in a while.
Never been done.
Well, I'll clean the flame sensor. I mean, take me 2 minutes. It's not a big deal. It should be done every so often, every couple of years. It definitely needs a clean. Alright, just got this old worn out sandpaper I use on there. Give it a bit of cleaning. Goes right up in the bottom there.
Was it dirty?
Yeah. It gets like deposits on there. And it needs to be cleaned every so often. What will happen is, if it's dirty, the burner will shut right off. The burner will start and then shut right off. Because the flame sense is not sensing the proper flame.
Right.
So that's when it needs to be cleaned. Alright, we got it back in place there. It should fire right up. You know, that wasn't giving you an issue, but it was dirty. Alright, new exhaust fan motor assembly, clean flame sensor, the bait. It's a good one. Other than that, you really haven't had any problems with it, right?
No, not at all. Knock on wood.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a different condensing unit outside. It's not a Goodman.
No, of course not.
It's something else.
Yeah, it begins with an H, that weird brand. Hayer or something.